As technology gets stronger and stronger, faster and faster, smarter and smarter, some things haven't evolved for thousands of years, like plant pots, where roots wrap around themselves with limited access to air and water, causing stunted growth and plant stress. Now they have, with Craterpot, the innovative pot that's changing the way we grow and solving your biggest gardening challenges. Craterpot's optimized root interface allows roots to naturally separate as they grow, preventing root bind and promoting healthier, longer-lasting plants. Its unique design filters air and buffers moisture, keeping the root zone fresh and balanced. More internal walls means more root pathways, leading to bigger yields and healthier plants. More roots get direct access to oxygen, water, and nutrients, with less effort, more sustainable practices, and reduced water waste. So, just like technology has gotten stronger, your plants can now grow stronger too. Don't let old technology hold you back. Craterpot is rethinking the way the world grows, with smarter design, broader plant compatibility, and a complete growing upgrade. Craterpot, the future of growing.